Priyanka and Ragini, just wait for a second. We are shuffling the class. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Go to the folder reinforcement. Reinforcement. ये प्रोजेक्टर अच्छे हैं, ये प्रोजेक्टर ऊपर नहीं थोड़ा प्लेन दिख रहा है। Guys, log into a drive. Go to your reinforcement folder, run the code. Download and run the code.
Sorry. Hello.
Hello. Yes, just log into a drive. Okay.
No, sir, by mistake, I have deleted the file. I'm so sorry.
Not an issue. I'm putting again. Anyone have charger? Kiran, remaining students have you done Tableau? Done for you. So you have not yet done. So Kiran, log into a drive. There's a folder called Tableau. Download that folder. Same for Kiran and Priyanka. Like for you also. When you go to your drive, there is a folder called Tableau folder. Make sure you download the Tableau file with you. All the folder, you have to download that. I will delete by today this folder. So keep on downloading. So meanwhile, at the backend, it will download for you. Vallabh, you have Yogesh, Shubham, Shantanu, Saurabh, 5 people. Drive पे जाना है, Tableau entire folder. Priyanka, Ragini, clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Just download the Tableau folder and keep in your laptop. Do not delete. After 1 month, you will need this folder. Okay. At that time, will not waste time in downloading the file. Okay. Now, guys, we'll do a small revision for ANN before moving forward in Python. What is the first point? Either go down or be going. Yes. We have 3 layers. So we have input, hidden, and layers. Okay. Next, if I talk about first input layer, guys, in input layer, what we have? So we pass your data, and we only pass your X variable. Okay. Then we have in hidden layer, we pass your neurons, and we have their weights by weights. Third point, we use cell body, plus we use activation function. This is selected by us manually. System will not select this. We need to select, and then we have. Okay. In output, guys, we have only 1 neurons. Clear? To update weights, we use 3 methods, which are named. You want to go? Okay. Now, guys, we have input layer, sorry, vision, hidden layer. In hidden layer, we have weights, then activation function, output layer. To update, we use how many methods? 3. Which one? Batch, gradient descent, stochastic, mini batch. Which is better, guys? Stochastic. Why it is better? It works for every customer. As customer preference change, the weights get updated. Then we have, okay, every method have different loss function. If you're working for regression, the loss function is different as compared to classification. Okay. Plus we have over there lambda value, and we have learning rate. Clear? And also, I think we also have dropout. The dropout is used to reduce the calculation and to make process faster. Clear? This does not have any impact on accuracy. This function dropout value, we decide the range is 0 to 1. This value, guys, from lambda and learning rate, we decide. Okay. I make them set. You can take picture. 2 or 3. वो ये पैड किसका है? ये हमेशा वो राइटिंग पैड, वो हमेशा ऐसे रखा रहता है. ऐसे ही सुनते हैं. We have lambda, we have हमने just अभी finish किया. So guys, these are loss function. So loss function will change as your y variable change. Okay. Learning rate range is 0 to 1. Dropout rate 0 to 1. Lambda range greater than 0 to infinity. You cannot take 0 value. Clear? Now guys, we will understand in this case study which I have taken for the linear regression one, because I believe you are comfortable with linear regression, everyone. Point 4 minimum होगी तो remove करना है, equal or greater है तो we need to keep it. We decided. You can change the number. Anyone facing difficulties for installation, guys? TensorFlow. Issue if you have not done. अब थोड़े से हाफ एन आवर लेट हो गए सर. Okay, guys, install TensorFlow. How to install? Pip install TensorFlow. Without installation, you will not able to run the TensorFlow. Pip install TensorFlow -- user. And like this way, if you're getting error. So this user becomes admin access. You have given the access for this user. Okay. You will get successfully unpacked. Yes, open Anaconda prompt and write right over there. Not right over here. You more time later. Open your Anaconda prompt and write over there. It's show you the downlink speed also. Same code, but in Anaconda prompt. That's just user one. No. Could not find working. अरे speed install. Upgrade speed. Do not find version. Upgrade.
Upgrade speed.
Upgrade speed. No measuring mind was
Unknown installed required already satisfied downloading this source is okay म्हणजे नाही फक्त पिक
आणि installing thing
successful uninstall
found existing application 21.2.4.
Successfully uninstall with error could not install package due to error.
And seven is speaking to the
Thank you, Alvin.
Sorry, done. Installation done. Now also you're getting error. ये 400 MB की फाइल है. Online student installation done for you. Ragini and Priyanka, TensorFlow.
Yes, sir.
So you run this code running for you.
Yes, sir. It's running.
Done for you. Yogesh, Subham, Shantanu, Vallabh. So you two are related. Okay. Can you see on screen? I'll explain the code. Okay, because I need to finish this. Okay. So guys, we have TensorFlow. First, understand what is TensorFlow, guys, and why TensorFlow is today's need. Okay. Prior, what happened, guys? We worked on pandas only. Pandas, data frame, NumPy, and so on. TensorFlow was a package of Python. Prior in Google, who invented the TensorFlow, they have 3 different subparts over here. They use TensorFlow, point number 1. Okay. Then they need the GPU, graphic cards, graphic processing units, plus they need Keras. Everything has to be on same updated version. You cannot change the version also. If any version gets changed, indication your TensorFlow will not work. This one happens in 17, 18 also. Separately, we install GPU, separate we install Keras, separate we install TensorFlow. Now, today's laptops are updated. They give you the graphic adds 8 GB, 4 GB. People have NVIDIA graphics and so on. So today's graphics gets updated. So what we do, so Google have converted everything inside. You just write pip install. At the backend, guys, it install all 3 only till now. They just shuffle and make in one header. Okay, that's the reason this package is a very lengthy package of Python. We take approximate 450 MB something. Okay, a very lengthy package. Pandas is not too lengthy. It's a very less. So import TensorFlow as TF on screen. From TensorFlow, I want to import Keras. From Keras, I need layers. From layers, I need to do preprocessing.
तो ये जो पैकेज में करते हैं अपन बहुत सारे हो गए उनके अंदर जो फंक्शन ये हमको कैसे आ जाते हैं
हमने कौन से पैकेज किए
खाना नंबर एसकेलर
ओके और कौन से पैकेज किए हमने sometimes StatsMod. कितने पैकेज यूज किए many function package are less. Now we just added TensorFlow. Yes. Yeah, you can take it. This is one. The other one is not working for me.
Yeah, it's not good.
And this is better.
Thank you.
Now, guys, the main thing you have to remember the functionality. Nobody in the world can remember all the function inside a package. बहुत difficult है. Okay, but you remember when to use sklearn, machine learning. So ये clear होता है. So if you need to understand the function in office or anywhere, you don't know how to work, you just write sklearn. Open this website. What do you want to do? So you click on regression. Which regression? Logistic. Click on logistic. You come to the code and equation. Okay. If you need example, here below they give example also. See.
So nobody can ask in interview.
No, everybody will ask you when to use sklearn. What are the things possible in sklearn? Nobody will ask you function to write. When we take a basic Python aptitude test, that time they may ask you for this to one. Okay. Still want to make a plot sometime. This can be asked, but not machine learning. Clear. We'll move forward.
अगर फोर पैटर्न का प्रोफाइल होगा तो ये फंक्शन पूछेंगे
हाँ. Next, I have taken data of auto CSV, guys. What type of data we required for linear regression? Y has to be numbers and X has to be numbers. We cannot take category. ये clear हो गया. Auto CSV we import. I assign in raw data set. Go down. Okay. Take raw data. I just make a copy as a backup for me as a data sets. Okay. Then I check is NA. Need to explain this code now. Comfortable, guys? So here we have missing data where 6th row we are deleting. Anything happens to data?
No.
I say delete. Drop NA. Now, guys, in your original data, if you see, we have origin. This is the automobile data. From where you purchase a car, which country you purchase. Okay. What is the mileage? Today's world, mileage is very important. This is mileage per gallon. This is US data. Okay. Car horsepower, weight of the car, which year you purchase. Okay. And origin from where you purchase. In origin, we have 3 levels, guys. So what I'm trying to say, 1 as US, 2 as Europe, 3 as Japan. So in data, column name, origin, map, 1 as US, 2 and 3. After mapping, assigning same data, same column. If you remember, we do dummies. Okay. What is the difference between prefix and suffix, guys? Before. Suffix means after. Pandas get dummies for data set. Prefix मतलब पहले I need space. I don't require anything. Means just give me US. Don't give me origin US. I make separate column for every category. Clear? Prefix means, if you remember prior we do dummies for gender, we get like this way. हाँ, एक जेंडर होगा और जेंडर मेल होगा ऐसे और जेंडर female. Now I'm saying this word I don't want. Prefix removed. So your origin will become prefix. I'm removing that. Clear? Any question? Can I say we have every data in numbers? What is the y variable? Mileage. So your y variable has to be mileage. Split data into two parts, train and test. With a fraction of 80% will go in train, remaining will go in test it. Clear? Yes. I just make a pair plot. Okay. Looking at this, which plot is this one, guys? Which plot is this one? Let me copy this. Which plot is this one? Bell curve. Okay. So can I say every diagonal plot is used to display the normal distribution? Okay. Now here if you see, here we have weight of the car and here we have mileage of the car. Can you see? Now looking at this, tell me, do we have any relation? Negative one. As mileage increases, car weight decreases. Clear? So pair plot give you the normal distribution, will also give you your relation plot. Clear? Next. I just have done describe, which is a trained data set. I say describe and transpose. In just convert. If you do not transpose, guys, will give you like this way. Once again, let me need to run this.
What do you mean of
Displacement. Displacement, I think it's a number of cylinder which we use in the car.
displacement is the distance of distance.
Between lever का जो होगा ना, with your cylinder popping system ना.
सिलेंडर में पिस्टन होता है,
हाँ.
उसके ऊपर कंप्रेसर होता है.
Okay.
और कितना उसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट रहता है वो सीसी पे डिपेंड करता है.
वही ना जो पंपिंग डिफरेंस होता है.
हाँ.
पंपिंग डिफरेंस वाला. If I do not write transpose, guys, we get column wise. If I write transpose, it's become column become row. Just a transpose. Output remains same. Next, guys, I just have taken train data and I copied this and make another file called train features. Clear ho gaya? So we have train data and we have test data. From train data, I said pop. Pop is for delete. Which column? So this deleted column, guys, I'm saving in train label. So I'll write for you to avoid confusion. Train label is your Y. Clear. You can see this is train label, train features, which have your both X and Y. Sorry. Okay, we just make a copy. ये clear हो गया. Train label have only Y variable. Next, train features head. Okay. Okay. Now in train features, we have only all X value. Now looking at this X value, guys, can you say my data is on same scale or on different scale? ये train features which have all X data. Weight is given in, let's say in kgs. Then we have horsepower in your HP, cylinder in count, acceleration in your BPM. Okay. So every variable is measured on different scale. So we need to normalize. Why we need to normalize, guys? Because neural network require data between 0 to 1 most of the time. It can be more than 1, but try to give values between 0 to 1. Pre-processing, I want to normalize using which score? What is the formula for Z score, guys? ये clear हो गया. ये Z score करना है. Assigning in normalizer. Normalization adapt on train features array. So train features is data set. We convert to array. Then we adapted normalizer. We applied on normalizer. Clear? Here you can see, guys, this is your first data, original data, first row, and this is your normalized data. I just display only one row. A linear model without hidden layer. Okay, understand it? Can I say, guys, neural network? Can I say neural network works under sequential?
Okay.
That is mean max. 0 to 1 कर देता है. आपको normalization, you don't aware of that?
Normalization -1 to 1
What is the range of normal distribution? Okay, for numbers. Score. हाँ, पता है मैंने फॉर्मूला दिया था एक स्टैट्स के टाइम पे स्क्रीनशॉट. रेंज 0 to 3 था. First what we do, we compute. ये एवरेज कंप्यूट करोगे ऐसे, इसका एवरेज डिस्प्लेसमेंट का. ओके, देन वी रिक्वायर्ड दैट. ये क्या हो गया हमारे लिए? सिग्मा. ये क्या हो गया हमारे लिए? मीन. क्या कंप्यूट करना था? Z. कैन वी डू x माइनस मीन? डिनोमिनेटर हो गया, डिवाइड बाय डिनोमिनेटर. ये क्लियर हो गया? क्या वैल्यू होगी? पहले क्या थी? जी क्लियर हो गया? Same way, guys. So we converted all our data. Here random split है, data is not match. Clear?
So इसका range of -3
हाँ, that's the range of normal distribution. But exact, sometimes it gives you the higher number also if you have outliers. Okay. Now guys, in neural network, what is the first steps? In your network, which you done, input. Okay. If I do not give input layer, guys, can we have hidden layers?
No.
So can I say they are sequential? So inside Keras, I want to run sequential. First, I want to normalize data. In layer, I want to take a dense. Dense means it will generate neurons for you. Unit 1. So एक input है. Okay. You will multiply. 1 second. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? This is called as output. This is called as. Do we have taken hidden layer? So this model is without hidden layer. So when we have unit 1, this indicates it's an output layer. Output layer always will have hidden as unit as 1. What is the activation function? Bias value. ये clear हो गया. If activation linear means, so I will answer in terms of numbers. Perfect. Correct. Assigning in linear model and it will be summary. 9 variable will pass and there will be 1 output layer, 1 neuron. Okay. In linear model, I want to compile. This compile is used to update weights and check accuracy. TF optimizer, update weight using SGD. Full form is stochastic gradient descent with learning rate 0.1. How we calculate error? Mean absolute error. That is your loss function. So first you will compute error. If error is high, we'll update weight and keep on running till you're clear. Now, linear model is a model name. Say fit. Fit means apply. X train have what? X feature have all X. Train label have take X label, train label, and train features. Epoch. How many times I have to repeat the data? I say repeat how many times? 100. You can take this number any you want. Verb is 1. Okay. Validation. Guys, which data we are working on? तो हमारे पास आपने क्या किया? फुल डेटा लिया, इसको स्प्लिट किया, ट्रेन और टेस्ट में. इस ट्रेन को मैंने फर्दर स्प्लिट किया, ट्रेन फीचर्स और वैलिडेशन. I have not touched this test, guys. This is separate. We are working inside train only. Till you're clear. How much percent I have to take? How much percent? 20% of train data. ये clear हो गया? First time when I pass the data. Okay. How many X I have taken? 8 X. Okay. How much is the loss? On training. Validation में कितना loss है? I keep on repeating data. How many number of times? Can you see my loss decrease?
जब repetition होगा तब weight भी update होगा.
हाँ. That's why we are doing. That's the reason we are updating. Now we are learning something mistake and we are repeating again. If there is a hole inside a car, inside a road, you know you fell on one day. Again, you have to go same way, but you will take a right and left. Again, you will not repeat your mistake. Got the point?
So repetition मतलब update to be
going in same direction with update weights. How much is the loss, guys? Lowest, you can select the lowest one. 2.3. So add repetition of, let's say 99, we get error as approximate 2.2. Clear? Next. From linear model, I want to evaluate. How we evaluate linear regression, guys? कैसे किया था linear regression? How we check the accuracy? R-square. If you don't want to use R-square, then RMSE. Here, evaluate will give you RMSE, which is a MAPE value. Linear model, I want to evaluate. Train features is my X, and this is my train label as Y. The train result, which is one dictionary, one set, make a linear model as a key and value become 2.4. So we just make one dictionary. Training clear, okay, guys? How much error we have in train? 2.4. Same thing I say, use linear model, evaluate on test features, test label, in test dictionary, and give me the error. Is it clear, okay? Now, I'm just combining train features and train label to get something known as train full, where we have all my X and all my Y. So हमने इसको combine किया and we make something known as. Do we have any more predicted value, guys? No. Use linear model, predict for train features. Do we have prediction? वो हमने यूज नहीं किया ना अभी ड्रॉप आउट फंक्शन हम यूज करेंगे बाद में देखिए ट्रेनिंग इज हाउ मच This line clear, guys? Without any hidden layer. Next, with hidden layer. Same code I'll run by just adding a different layer also. I've written another model. Now understand this function. Def means define, function name, model and compile. The name I've given. Parameter name, norm. Here in Keras, I want to run sequential model. First data will come going norm. First layer have how many neurons? Activation ReLU. What is the range of ReLU? I make you write yesterday now.
0 to 1.
0 to 1. Something node. I make you write something node also.
Any value in rectifier is less than 0, get replaced by 0 in.
Any value less than 0 will get replaced by 0. So first hidden layer, second hidden layer. In first hidden layer, how many neurons we have?
64.
Second hidden layer,
100.
and the last layer I have 1. This one means output. Here clear okay? Can I say they are 1 by 1 sequence order?
We have 2 hidden layers.
2 hidden layers.
What number to be able to
We decide. आप कुछ भी दे सकते हो, but should not be less than the number of variables. If you have 8 variable, your neuron has to be more than 8.
Equal to 10 or
More than, correct. Now compile. First compute loss. If error present, if error is very high, update weight using stochastic gradient descent. Learning rate as 0.01. And the return give me answer as model. ये clear हो गया guys? Should I move forward? Now on this model, I say apply normalizer because we need to update. We have to make data into normal scale. This is a summary report. First 9x will come, will go in first next layer, hidden layer, second hidden layer. Then we'll have output layer. Understand? What is the model name we kept? ये मॉडल का नाम हमने रखा है DNN model. Here also we'll have train, and we will also have test. DNN model fit and supply on train features and train label. Splitting in train is how much? Within train, 0.2 to 20%. Okay, repeat how many times? 100 times. Okay. How much is the first time error? Too high. We keep on repeating our data. Error become low, guys. Huh?
It is all the time descending or?
No, it's up and down. Okay. Now DNN model evaluate based on X train features, train label. Assigning in train result only, new column called DNN. How much is the error we have? Same way value for test. How much? 1.79. Okay. Now, according to you guys, okay, you tell me which model is the best model. With hidden is the best one. Why it is best, guys? Because error is very less over here. In train also we have less. Also we have in test also very less. Clear? Anyone have any question on this? So can I say hidden layer help us to reduce the error? What's the importance of hidden layer, guys? Correct. Next, combining train features, train label, and make train fold 2. DNN model used to predict for train features. Clear? Any question can ask, please. Code कितना छोटा है? Just a single line. But the concept to understand that why we use compiler, SGD, you need to understand the theory. That's the reason we spend 2 days. So higher the,
we go with the hidden layer, na?
yes, always. Because hidden layer helps us to reduce the error. That's the main job.
Then here without hidden layer.
I just shown you. You never do without hidden layer. If you do without hidden layer, it's become a normal model. Hidden layer नहीं है तो weights नहीं है. Weights नहीं है तो importance नहीं है. Can I say this without hidden layer become normal linear regression? Always your TensorFlow, your reinforcement should have high accuracy, more than 95 or 90 plus. Because we require lower the error. Your objective is to reduce error, not to look at overfitting.
Okay. So outliers.
That you have to treat.
Outliers.
You can outlier missing values. That's a pre-processing. You have to treat.
Outliers. Deep learning.
It's not mandatory because when you multiply with weights, value becomes small. But suggestion should treat outliers because sometimes your bigger number into weights is bigger than smaller number. Suggestion to treat. Any question? Easy है guys? ये बहुत difficult है. Next case study, if I take, I'll take dropout. I'll change activation function. We have done over here model comparison, training versus test. Where train is better, lean in a model. I'll share a new file with you, okay, which is a different algorithm. Have you downloaded this one, Rahul? Your Tableau? You done Tableau game? Online students, any question, please ask. Guys, if your linear regression fails sometime, okay, and you want a better accuracy in business, suggestion to go for ANN linear regression. This is your ANN model with linear activation function. This will never give you accuracy low.
So then when we
okay, sometime what happened, accuracy, you tried missing values, outlier, you clean, you apply linear regression, boosting regression, decision tree, your accuracy is not getting more than 70. Most of them.
directly in the
Here we do not get beta not beta 1. It has become a drawback. Okay. So it becomes difficult to give them.
अभी हम एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन भी लिखते हैं
हमने by default रिलू लिखा है. We'll do on pen paper also, guys. Don't worry. Okay. Guys, I'll try to upload one file over here. If uploaded, it's fine. If not uploaded, I have to delete Tableau. आपकी बाकी है Guys, go to the folder. Okay. I have given an Excel file where I have solved manually the CNN. Meanwhile, download this Excel file and Python file. Okay, guys, download these 3 files. Okay, once you're done, inform me. Online students. Ragini, this is your marks. The marks for this. Okay. Ragini, the feedback for you, I remember. So sometime when you give answer now, it's look like you're reading a theory point of view. You need to explain it.
Oh, okay, sir.
You explain half, then half you read the same word. Okay. It's okay when you go for interview, but make sure you take some example and explain.
Okay, sir.
ये एक थोड़ा सा minor का drawback था for 2 questions.
Okay, sir. Means I need to like add examples.
For every concept, make your own example. Make yourself you repeat multiple times. Means आप by heart कर लीजिए or you understand it. Okay. Then same example you go for any interview. So you can say because every person who take interview is new for you.
Okay.
Make sure you have one example of one concept.
Okay, sir. Yeah, and sir, like I have text you regarding mock tomorrow.
Okay.
I have like appointment for my police clearance certificate. So like, can you please?
Okay, we are just taking a normal mock. This is a practice mock, not the final one. Okay.
So there is no one for the mock. इसका भी है इनका
Okay, for the mock, Kiran will update to you by today evening. Okay, because many students in the class have interview tomorrow. Bond policy is like, for example, if you are working in a company, okay, in general, I'm saying, if you got selected and they give you a bond for 2 years, the bond indicates 2 years you have to work in a company. You cannot leave the company. And every year they give you the hike also. Hike decrease nahi hoga. They'll increase your salary. But within 2 years, you cannot leave. My suggestion, either you or me or my brother or anyone, first company, if a profile is too good, guys, stay for 2 years. Okay, I have my many friends, they joined first company, till now they are in same company. Because company upgrade your salary, the main thing is your profile has to be good profile. The profile that profile is good. That's the reason I say in support. Okay. Second, if your profile is like medium range. Okay. You work for a company for 1 or 2 years, you want to shuffle, you change, the another company buy back the bond for you. This is also happened. That is also common. But as a fresher level, my suggestion to everyone, at least first enter into this domain. एक बार entry कर लो, then you demand ना, people will give you. You come Tableau Power BI over here. If not, you can attend online. If not, you can come on weekend. If not, I'll give you a recording. Okay. If not, you want personal session, I can arrange for you.
First job is important.
First job is important. In first job GD, your job description is very important.
More typically paid on
Second job, third job is like bread and butter. No chitna khao. But guys, if your job is very good, profile is very good, do not look at a salary for 1 year. You want me to share my salary slip for first year, I'll give you. When I was working as an unofficial, not as an employee, as a freelancer, my monthly package over there was 8,000 for 3 months. They say, I want to check your performance. After 3 months, I get package of 6.5. But 3 months is a struggle, which I do. For me, it is a struggle. Okay. But after that, I run everything from my office only, not from my college. College give me theoretical knowledge, not too practical. Because my study stack is purely theory. You from Ematicus, you're learning theory also, you're learning practical also. So at least you're better, at least to import data also. At my level, I was not aware. Ye difference. Okay. Now nobody give 8,000. I started my career in 2014. For internship, they give you. I was employee in 8,000. Job में data science में 8,000 कोई नहीं pay करेगा आपको. For internship.
I did one interview. I select for that, and they.
Guys, make sure you download this file. I teach you how to run this file because this file is sometimes create headache for people. Okay. You open this file. Okay. In this file, you have to specify the folder location. Understand that? You come over here. In TensorFlow, you have your You go to the folder where you kept your file, guys. Are you getting unzip file? Do you know how to unzip? So this cat and dog .rar file is your data file. Once you unzip this file, you will get two folders on screen. Getting? Once you click on train, you get another two folder. Cat and dog. Open that. Open that folder in production. What we have in that folder, guys? We have images. Agree, guys? Anyone need any help? Inform me. This consumes lots of time just to understand the process flow. Do you unzip the file? Now is what you have to do. Okay, on screen, you go to training data. There's a location for train. You need to copy the location for train and paste in the train section over here. The location for test. Go to test folder, copy location, and paste in the test section. Okay. Then you have to run the code. Will take 45 minutes. Sometimes 30 or 25, depends upon a laptop. Because it's take approximate 10,000 photos. From 10,000 photos, it will take photo is 1.5 MB. So you can imagine how much data will have. Right. Data convert करें. Make sure you run this one. If you are able to run, it's good for today. Guys, able to run the code? Online students, be connected, guys. Okay. So you have your place, some intervention, you have a topic. Okay. So just be connected. There is a faculty named Nikita. She will be joining over here in 10 minutes. She'll
Yes,
be on.
sir. Okay, sir.
And meanwhile, run the code. At least to get an output. If today we are getting output, tomorrow will be easy for us. Ragini, Priyanka, do you have any interview tomorrow?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Online students, guys, you just stay connected, okay? You can connect after 5 to 10 minutes on same link. Priyanka, Ragini,
Yes, sir.
after 5 to 10 minutes, you can reconnect on the same link, okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.